You want to talk about an incredible car. This is it. Unbelievable. The car, to say that it was restored is a huge understatement. Literally, the build cost on the car is $135,000. We have all the documentation. You can look at it for yourself, but that is not where it stops. The owner even wanted to take it to another level. So this beautiful top, the interior, custom gauges in the car, another $20,000 was then spent. Literally, the build on this 66 Mustang is $150,000. The car has, are you listening? You should be. Mileage on this car is 212 miles. That should tell you everything you need to know about the car. You can feel free, you can call me. Better yet, come in our showroom, take a look at it for yourself. My name is Sean, this is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. Our website is pantherroadclassics.com. Isn't this just the most magnificent Mustang you have ever seen? You will be proud to have this in your collection. Like I said before, it comes with all the receipts of the build. You have it all the documentation's there. I know you're going to have tons of questions. Feel free to give me a call. Better yet, I want you to come in our showroom and take a look at this for yourself. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. Hit that subscribe button so I can continue to bring you these videos. Our website is pantherroadclassics.com. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.